The assignment for Unit 4, Section 1, 11 through 25, I'll do the even, due April 22nd. Remember, this is synthetic division. 3x cubed minus 23x squared plus 50x minus 24 divided by x minus 2/3. So you put 2/3 on the shelf, then 3, negative 23, 50, and negative 24. You bring the 3 straight down. 3 times 2/3 is 2. Added to negative 23 is negative 21. Negative 21 times 2/3 is negative 14. Added to 50 is 36. 36 times 2/3 is 24. Added to negative 24 is 0. So 3, negative 21, and 36 give us this answer. Number 14. X to the 4th. Then we have 3x squared. Since we skipped over an x cubed, you've got to put a 0 in there because there's no x cubed term. Then 3, negative 2, and negative 32. Then remember, you change the sign of the x plus 2, so it's negative 2. Bring the 1 straight down, multiply negative 2, add negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 2 is 4, add is 7. 7 and negative 2 is negative 14, add is negative 16. Negative 16 times negative 2 is 32. So these numbers gives us this. Remember, the original 1 was 1x to the 4th. So our answer with 1 is 1x cubed. Number 16, and the solution is there, following through. 18, x cubed minus 8. I had to put 0 and 0 in the middle because no x squared and no x. 20, I had to put a lot of zeros in there because it went from x to the 5th to negative 243. So 0x to the 4th, 0x cubed, 0x squared, and 0x. And then, remember, I changed the sign of the x minus 3 and made plus 3. The second page, 22 and 24. 22, remember, x to the 4th, we skipped x cubed, so 0x cubed. Then minus 13, and then we didn't have an x, so I put 0x plus 36. Then I worked it out. Now the last one was just a trinomial, but x squared, fairly large numbers. So 43 over 27 is on my shelf, my divisor. Then 459. So I'm going to take 459 times 43 on my calculator and divide by 27 on my calculator. Gave me 731. Then I added those two numbers, got this. Then I took negative 1809 times 43 and divided by 27 and got negative 2881, and so 0 is my remainder for my answer right here.